Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set custom ringtone on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Files app, scroll through the Apps menu and then click on Files. Then, locate where the MP3 you want to use as your custom ringtone is located. In this case, it could be on Recent, or you come to Browse and then you search your download folder. But in my own case, I have the music I want to use as my custom ringtone in my recent download folder. So come back to Browse, locate and click on my iPhone. Then under my iPhone, locate the MP3 you want to use. Once you located it, click on the MP3, then you should have the MP3 like this. Locate and click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, hang on, and then click on more. Then select use as ringtone. Then once you selected it as ringtone, then you should see it open the ringtone page on your iPhone. Then the custom ringtone will be selected. Now when next you have an incoming call, this is going to use the custom ringtone as your iPhone ringtone. So that is exactly how to set custom ringtone on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.